how things look smaller as they get further away? Well, for example, I'm standing quite close to you, and I'm this big, and I'm standing quite close to you as well, and I'm exactly the same size. Ah, yes, but watch what happens when he gets further away. He looks smaller, and smaller, and smaller. I only look smaller because I'm further away. And this is a good tip to remember next time you're painting and drawing. Let me show you. Now, here's a scene of a road going off into the distance. And I want to draw some telegraph poles along the side of the road. So, remember the tip, things look smaller as they get further away. So I'm going to start with a big telegraph pole in the foreground, and a smaller one there. And as they get further away, I'm drawing them smaller, and smaller, and smaller. Just put a wire on there. That looks quite good, that. Now, on the other side of the road, I want to draw a fence. So there's a fence post going in. Now, again, remember the tip. Things look smaller as they get further away. So there goes another fence post in there, just a bit smaller. And then gradually getting a bit smaller as it gets further away into the distance. That's it, just put the bar on the post. And there it is. Okay, well, I've got another scene here. This is a sunset scene. Now watch this. Now don't worry, it's not a big black cloud. I'm going to just draw on there in chalk some reflection from the sun. And there, sailing majestically out to sea, a couple of people in a balloon. A bit more chalk on the edge there just to catch the sun's reflection. Now, about half an hour ago, another balloon the same size set off. And there it is, same size, but it looks smaller. There it is, right in the distance. A couple of people in there. And just put a little bit more reflection from the sun. And there it is. Handy tip that, things look smaller as they get further away. Try it yourself.
It's the head again. So don't forget, things are small when they're far away, and as they get closer, they get bigger. Told you.